the key if you want it.
Oh yeah.
New Ford. Couldn't be happier.
2010 Ford Fusion Sport, fully loaded to the balls.
Show him that sport badge.
From that sport badge.
Fully loaded.
He's awesome. So now that he finally got this thing, we're gutting the demo vehicle and we're putting all that fun stuff in here. See, look at that. He almost opened it with the key. Yeah, you have wireless technology now.
I have power windows.
Yeah,
so.
and locks. Look at this trunk. You fit me and him in there at the same time.
It'd be kind of weird.
That would be kind of weird, but just saying, we have options now. Why ride in the back seat? Just ride in the trunk. Yeah.
Who stuck that on?
Steven, your salesman.
Okay.
Fully leather seats. That white stitching on it. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful.
Steering wheel controls.
He's got the touchscreen navy, steering wheel controls, the moonroof.
I got full climate controls on the touchscreen or the buttons.
You don't have to touch buttons. This is awesome. Alright guys.
I'm so happy.
Should be, man. This is great.
Just gonna get it repoed in a couple days.
I don't think so.
It won't even take 2 months. It'll take 2 days and take it back.
Oh boy. Alright, so big things coming with this bad boy.